2. Add apps to Android Auto. Start by opening the settings on your Android phone, which can be done by swiping up from the bottom and selecting the settings option. Once in the settings, the menus may vary, so it's best to search for Android Auto at the top. Select the Android Auto settings, then scroll down to the General section, where you'll find the Customize Launcher option. This is where you can add or remove apps from your Android Auto launcher. Alternatively, you can scroll to the bottom to find a hidden section, where you can select an app to add it to the launcher. To rearrange the order of your apps, long press the dots on the left side of the app and move it to your desired position. By following these steps, you can easily customize your Android Auto experience with your preferred apps.